Hi there, this is our Ursus 250 lathe. Really good quality European lathes, really well known. This brand new, when it was sold many years ago, would have been around $70,000 worth, I'm told. This one's a reasonable distance between centres, a reasonably heavy lathe. The previous customers fitted a big chuck. It's got a 105mm bore, got a quick change tool post on it, and it ticks over really nicely. The only fault that I've noticed with it is it has some bed wear up the front there. Alright, so I'll start from the back. It does have the full length frame for the splash guard there, but only half of that's fitted. It looks tight at the back. It does have headstock clutches. You'll see a photo under there. Your controls there, coolant system, etc. That's that tailstock, turns nicely and pretty good up there. Carriage is nice to turn, and the cross slide, and just a tiny bit of play in there. Compound slide's nice to move, and again just a tiny bit, but yeah, feels pretty good. You've got your wee freewheeling knob there that you pull out, etc. Okay, I'll start that coolant pump. We haven't put coolant in it, but there it is running there. And start that main motor up. Okay, so I'm in a low range there. That's reverse, forward, and I'll take you through the feed gearbox first. So that feed shaft's running at the moment, and now I'm just changing those speeds. So that was a lead screw, sorry, and this is the feed shaft now. And this has got a wee lock on it. So to operate this one, you've got to undo the lock, do your change, and then tighten up the lock again for it to drive. Now this is your high and low ratio, so that's going really fast now. And change of direction. So I'll put it on the fast speed and show you that thread cutting. So that's the carriage going that way. And I'll have to engage the feeds. So that's the feed shaft running there. And that's the cross slide going in. And the carriage heading that way, and I'll change those directions. The cross slide going out, and now the carriage coming towards me. Somebody's put some different levers on it, this one here and this one here, to make the ease of using your feeds and your forward and neutral, etc. a little bit easier. So that's the feeds there. So I'll run you through the speed range. That was the lowest there, which was 23. Oops. That's 73. Sorry. Yep. And 94. I'll take you through to the next one, which will be the 46. 146. 187. So now we'll change into the high range, and 125. Oh yeah, 250. $390. $500. $780. One more. 1,000. I'll show you that in reverse and forward. So that's reverse. And forward in 1,000. So that's the gear range, the feeds, it's got that isolator there. That's probably all there is really to show. So it is a very good quality lathe. It's got that reasonable sized bore on it. Someone's fitted that big chuck. Yeah.